Всем привет! Меня зовут Волков Никита. Я рада вас приветствовать на своем канале. Я начинаю свой видеорепортаж о знаменитых брендах на английском языке. Погнали! Кратко о марке Ikea. Ikea is probably the most famous brand of home goods, despite the fact that the company's headquarters are located in the Netherlands. Ikea in Sweden in 1933 continues to maintain the image of a Swedish company for marketing purposes. There in Sweden, samples of Ikea products are developed, which are then produced mainly in third world countries. Ikea products, mass product, furniture that buyers then assemble at home themselves, as well as a host of other large and small home goods. The company's range is extremely wide. Ikea products can be acquired with a house or apartment turnkey. The main operational method of Ikea in the market is to work through free catalogs. Ikea has been present on the Russian market since 2000, when the first store was opened in Khimki. At the moment, there are 20 Ikea stores in Russia, 3 in Moscow, 2 in St. Petersburg, and 7 in cities with millions of people. Ну вот я сказал про бренд Ikea. Всем удачи! До скорой встречи! Увидимся с вами уже в следующем видео. Пока-пока!